Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2003 Chevy Impala. We're going to be doing some videos today. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. Some of the points to raise and support this vehicle are right here. There's a lot of frame area right here that is a good support for the vehicle. Under normal circumstances, you could do it on the pinch weld, but this vehicle is excessively rusted, so we can't lift the vehicle from there. Same on the other side. We used it on the body frame. We did not go on the pinch weld because there's not much holding it up over there. On the back side, we did it on this part of the body frame. There's a lot of good solid metal there, whereas the pinch weld is severely rotted. So you want to be careful when you're lifting the vehicle on a pinch weld. Double check, make sure it's not excessively rotted. And we did the same with this side. Right here, we did not do it on the pinch weld.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.